last question ko na, although wala ko nakikita parang time's up dito, pero feeling ko time's up na kami. So last question ko na lang, siguro is, what's next? At least for DOE, you have this plan, you have elaborated your different R&D needs. Are there any plans for you to collaborate with, say, UST or maybe international development partners? And same din kay Doc Joey, what's next for you, for NACEN, for the different battery technologies that you're developing? So I'll go to Doc Joey first.
Yeah, so as you can see dun sa last slide, meron akong change of address in the coming months. So I will focus in commercializing yung SIB technology at that place, but also we're looking at other applications beside yung starter battery market. Concurrently, I'll be supporting a non-profit called Forum for the Future. So they have a responsible energy initiative program in the Philippines with support from government agencies like DOE, mga ibang non-profit and private sector to try to put frameworks na with the ongoing energy transition, walang maiiwanan ng mga farmers because you'll be diverting agricultural lands to solar and industrial applications. Okay, offshore wind, there will be a lot of fishermen affected. No? But we know that there's a strong climate imperative, diba? Yung reason why we're doing the energy transition. So I'll be doing yung work there as principal strategies while also supporting other agencies. So I just talked to Mario kanina, we're also helping yung UNOPS ETP for some technical assistance projects. So, well, that's different aspects that I work.
Thank you. Asek?
On the part of the DOE, definitely we need everyone. We need the UST. Kasi we don't have the capability to conduct detailed testing, detailed research. We can do the initial research basically geared towards economic viability. But the technology itself, it's the UST. Pagdating sa incentives, BOI. Pero hindi pa tapos doon. Maybe you will notice, no? Ano lang para lang may... Dati kasi, nagko-collaborate naman kami sa UST. But, please look at the renewable energy law. The technology accreditation is the UST. We make it a fact that the UST should be the one in charge of renewable energy technology. And we wrote it that way. So, hindi namin tatanggapin ng isang RE technology kung walang certifications in the US. Thank you.
Okay, so that's it for our fireside chat this afternoon. So, thank you, Asek Mario Marasigan from our Department of Energy. And of course, Joey Ocon, the professor and university scientist from UP Diliman. Maraming salamat po, and hopefully our researchers and scientists here in the audience have a long list gathered from this chat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone. We kindly request that the discussants remain on stage. And also, we would like to call Dr. Enrico Paringin and Engineer Niña Lisa Escorial to